How to connect or disconnect a VPN connection on the iPhone. Now from the home screen, tap on settings. Then in settings, if you scroll down, there is a VPN option right here that you can tap on. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on to turn it on. Once your phone connected to a VPN server, if you pull down the status bar at the top, it will show VPN right there. This indicates that you are currently connected to a VPN server. Okay, so if you haven't added a VPN profile before, you can go down and tap on General. Then we scroll down, and in here, tap on VPN and Device Management. From here, tap on VPN and then tap on Add VPN Profile. In here, you can select a VPN type. So I will select L2TP. So this will depend on your VPN server configuration. So select the appropriate VPN type. Then we go down and give it a description. So VPN, I can put VPN here, and server. So put in the server details. Now this information can be retrieved from your service provider, or if you go on to gw.net, you can find a list of free servers there. Okay, so put in the account details, password, VPN, and secret key, VPN. Okay, and then we tap on the accept button or the save button. And here I will select this new VPN profile. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to connect to the VPN server. If your information is correct, then your phone should be able to connect to the VPN server. As you can see right here, it shows VPN and connected. And to disconnect, simply turn it off here, or you can turn it off from the settings menu out here. So tap on it to switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.